Today is Tuesday, October 25th. This is the 1975 Chevrolet Caprice powered door lock actuator. This is from my friend Baron in Miami, and I'll be doing a functional validation test. This is the 879-1129 variant. Okay, and left-hand driver's side, and we'll be doing a functional validation test now under power. The unit has been opened up and completely rebuilt. Extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension, contraction. Very, very powerful snap. The unit was completely opened up. The catalytic igniter was exchanged. The plunger was precision lapped. It had been seized, locked solid in rust. And of course the electricals had been melted to a toast. So the unit was restored, and it'll be shipping out today. As soon as I get Baron's okay to ship, reply confirmation. Just as George in Florida, I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 through 1976, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac and General Motors items overall. I'm best known from my restoration of the steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, and other electrical components such as these power door lock actuating solenoids, the instrument clusters, window motors, and as I said, 375,000 other original vintage parts. Today is Tuesday, October 25th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.